This trader has one of the highest win rates on PU Prime copy trading service. What I'm going to be doing today is throwing $50 into it and coming back in 24 hours to show you the results of how much he has made.
This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.
Right now, once you've loaded it into your dashboard, you want to scroll down to this Discover page. Once you're in Discover, click on Rank List. And then, like I said, we're going to go with the win rate. So as you can see here, royalty income, ANKIT 216 has a return of 20,053.94% over 3 months. So all you want to do is click on copy. And then we are going to be doing $50 and then scrolling down. So copy mode is equivalent use margin. We're just going to keep everything the same to keep it nice and fresh and exactly what they are recommended. And then all we have to do at the bottom is click on submit. Now, once you've done that, you'll see that it has been submitted successfully. And I'll be back in 24 hours to show you the results of what this copy trader, the top win rate on PU Prime, has made within 24 hours. If trading feels confusing and inconsistent, maybe you just need a clearer direction. Let me introduce thesignaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without unnecessary noise. Now, here's what you can expect. You get carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry, take profit and stop loss levels, straight to the point market insights, and signals built around discipline and risk control. No exaggeration, no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on analysis. Even better, they provide a 7-day free trial so you can evaluate the signals yourself before even making any decisions. Stay focused, follow structure, and trade with a plan. Try thesignaler.com today, and let's continue with the video. Take a look at the results you can see on the screen. That's the 24-hour result from the highest win rate trader on PU Prime. You can see why a strong win rate matters more than one lucky trade. Consistency is what turns a small deposit into not about hitting one home run. It's about stacking small wins while you're focused on everything else in your life. Now, that's the real value here. This series is about finding traders who can actually deliver that. Follow along so you don't miss the next test. Drop a comment on which trader I should try next, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.